before I will tear it down, I want to tell you a couple things about it. It's 4.3 V8 Lexus. I'm using it daily, and there is only one problem with this. It's very loud because it has only cuts and middle box section, and the rear boxes are sports one. It's always loud. And what I want to do, I would like to fit all that kit, which will go a little bit later, but right now I want to show you how it sounds right now, before, and how it will be after. So here we have straight through exhaust, which is big, trust me, both of them. So now we will start it and have a look how it is. Can you please start it? Rev it. Enough. On this table I have everything what I need to do that job. So we'll start from front and go to the back slowly. So here we have flanges, stainless steel flanges, very thick. They will be fitted to catalytic converters, both of them new catalytic converters, sports ones. After that they will attached to the flexi pipe, both of them. After it will go to the cross pipe. I can build myself one, but it takes a lot of time and it's easier just to buy one like this. All of the parts is stainless steel. It's not simple straight work because there is a lot of bends and go around some things. That's why I have a lot of joints 90 degrees. In case if I will need, I will chop it on half, will be 2 45s. Anyway, the pipes which I am using, it's 63 millimeters, 1.5 thick stainless steel. Here is approximately 6-7 meters which required to finish it. On the rear will be nice exhaust box with valve. Basically all that work I'm doing because I want to fit them. So when valve is shut here, which is right now shut, the gases go through the whole box and go through the long road and come back here. It make it silent. And when you want to go broom broom, you just open the valve. You will open it with remote controller. Actually this one I can adjust on open it fully, close it fully, or open it on half, which is quite interesting. So both of them are here. Also I have a lot of flanges here because I don't want to build one system in one piece, because if you work on suspension it's easy just to take rear side of it, or if you want work on gearbox, you can just take out the middle section of it, and everything will be finished with them big stainless steel tips. So actually they are very big, and for that I'm just putting it on the roller. So we have here 115 millimeters exhaust tips, which will be nice sitting on the back. So let's start work, have a look how it goes. All the exhaust system has been removed. Everything is rotten in very poor condition. So I'm here just in time, which is nice. I don't like this place where two pipes get squashed. That is reduce the noise. And here is a cut as well, so it's third cut. This one will be I decided to keep front flanges, just clean them, they are in very good condition. Now we will fit cuts to this. One cut is ready. Now time to weld another one. Cuts already on the car, and middle part looks like this. Let's go further. At the moment, rear side looks like this. We already have hangers and reinforcement on the middle. Let's carry on. One side is already there. Valve is closed. This looks right now completed on one side and need to be done another one. That will be next step. Yesterday at night I finished the work. Now it's completely done. We still can see the valve. That is model for it. Everything neat and tidy. Now we'll start it and I will show you the sound. Alex, can you please start it? Okay, rev it. Okay. So that was silent mode, and now by pressing the button we open the valve and close it. And on this one as well. Okay. That's it.